I want to walk you through a step-by-step process using the new Chippewa Valley hosting website Foxbright. So we're going to come up here and we're going to type in chippewa.foxbrightcms.com/admin. Foxbright page where you would use your teacher sign-in. So it's going to be your user name and password for the Chippewa district. We're going to log in. Now here we can do numerous things, but first we're going to start with your information. So click on the My Information tab. Now here's what's going to come up. Now what you're going to do is put your first and last name in, that's all you need, and your school address on this side here. Scroll down, and on the right here it should be your email. Your office phone, you could put your direct line for parents or whoever needs to communicate with you, and the fax number to your school. And then you're going to upload a new image here. Click on the upload a new image. We select file, pick what file you want to upload. I'll just pick anything. Hit open. That file will be here, and you want to upload that file. Now remember, we used Pixinate to crop it and to resize it. So then you just want to preview it, and then you're going to hit save. I want to show you how to resize a picture. There's a great software called Pixinate. So we're going to come up here, pixenate.com, pixinate.com. The first thing that you have to do is choose an image to edit. So we're going to click on this, and you should have a picture in one of your documents. So we're going to browse through any of our documents, and I'm just going to pick one here, and you want to upload it. Now there's all different types of tools that you have here, but we're going to go to this one, the resize tool. You're going to click on it, and the only setting you're going to fix here is your width. Now this is going to be for your profile picture, not your focus picture. This is your main, who people see you on your site. So your profile picture. The width is going to be 120. And then you're going to move the picture to where you want it. So I'm going to put it right here. Then I'm going to click apply. Don't worry about the height because it'll adjust it. Now I'm going to come up to the crop, the scissors. Now I'm going to go 120 by 120 and hit apply. It's going to automatically readjust it. So then you're going to come down here and save it to your disk, which will be any file that you want to save it to. So hit save, and you can save it in your H drive, on your desktop, wherever you want to send it, and then save it. Remember to always save it as a JPEG. Once you have it saved, then you can go on and upload it to your profile pic. Now this right here, you keep blank. Do not fill in anything for your profile bio. We will talk about that later, how to do that. And then you're going to hit save. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to create our teacher pages. Now, click on the teacher page tab. Now this is where you're going to create your actual tabs or links to all your pages. This is your main tab right here. This is your main page, your bio. This is really your destination page. So if you wanted to just keep that, this is what we're going to do. You're going to go to edit. And here is where you're going to put in your actual bio. Put in a little bio of yourself in this section here. If you would like to add a calendar, scroll to the calendar of your school that you would want linked into your actual bio page. So I already have Huron in here, so it's not going to show up. So if you're at Iroquois, you would click on Iroquois and hit the add. And on your bio page, you will have Iroquois' calendar linked in with it. And you can also edit it when you want. Here you could add different links to pages as well. So if you just wanted your bio page to have links to certain things, different websites, you can add that here. Also, here is where you're going to edit your actual focus page, which is here. So you could click edit, and you're going to insert a picture that is in what you're going to do is come down here. You're going to go to the category and select My Files. You're going to go to My Files and then hit Show All, and here is where you can select which file that you want to go for your focus page. So then once you click it, the image URL is going to come up here automatic. Make sure you put a title in, so I could put rock wall, and make sure your width is 680 and your height is 285 for your focus page, not your profile page. Your focus page is what everybody's going to see every time they click on a new tab or link to your actual page. So it'll come up each time. And here is your preview, and then you're going to hit OK. I'll just hit cancel because it's already there. So it should come up, and this is how your focus page will look like. That is how you insert your focus page, focus picture. Then you're going to come up here. You can either save and preview it, or you can save and close. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to add a page to our website. So what you're going to do is you're going to come up to your beginning, to your actual profile, and then you're going to add a page. So we're going to add a page, and when your page menu comes up, you can add whatever page you want. Let's say you wanted homework. This is your homework page. Once you type it, click on the next link, and you'll see all 4 of these come up. Now, we don't want to change anything except the actual internal title. Now, I'm going to change this to Huron Simon Homework. The reason I want to change this internal title is because for some reason, if anything got lost or it got deleted and you called the help desk and needed them to find something, they're going to have to search for every single listing of homework, and that will take forever. So for them to easily find any of your links, I would use your school first, then your last name, and then the title of your link. So Huron Simon Homework. That way it's easier for them to find it if in case anything was lost or misplaced. Then you're going to come down here, always keep your school theme, and always keep your page layout as teacher profile. And then we're going to save the page. And then I'm going to come down, and as you can see, here is my new page that I added down here. Now if I wanted to delete this page, I would come over here. Now you can add an external page to your homework. Maybe you have a couple different sites that you want to work with. You can add as many pages as you want to this homework page. These actual links here are what your tabs are going to be on the side of your bio page. So you can add your page. We're going to check out the settings for this page. As you can see, we don't need to change anything. If you needed to change something, homework number 1 or number 2, whatever you wanted to do. So I'm going to cancel out of here. So we went through settings if you wanted to edit your page. So now here is your homework page. As you can see, your focus picture is there, and this is where you can edit your page. What do you want to have on your homework page? You can list it all in this block, or let's click here for homework. Now, I'm going to link here. Here's where you're going to link something. So I'm going to come up to the top here, and I'm going to copy the URL, and I'm going to highlight where I want that link to be for the students to click on. So I highlighted here. I'm going to link it, and here is where I'm going to paste that link. So I go up, right click, paste. Here's my link. You can give it a title. And then hit insert. So now when the students click here, it's going to link up with whatever page that you wanted. When you're finished with that, scroll down and hit save and close, or you can save and preview or save. So I'll save it, and now it's there. Let's say I wanted to copy and paste something for a Word document. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight it, right click and copy. And instead of just pasting, we're not going to copy and paste from anything. You want to copy or cut, and then you're going to use this button right here. This is the paste as plain text because the Foxbright system isn't compatible with a lot of pasting materials. So we're going to paste, and then you're going to allow it, the clipboard. So you're going to allow access, and whatever you copied or cut and you paste to text is going to come right into this box. So remember, use the paste as text, as plain text button. Never just copy and then paste right to it. Always paste using this button. Now, let's say you wanted to mess around with the bold, underline, italics. This is to increase the size. Unfortunately, in Foxbright, there's not a lot of options to change fonts or anything like that. So let's say you wanted to add a picture. You can insert or edit an image in your box. So you click on this little tree, and that's how you insert or edit an image. So we come up to here, and if you don't have any here, you can always upload an image from one of your files. So I select my files. I can click on one of these, and it will come up, and then I could insert it, and then I can move it, or I can make it larger or smaller. Now let's say you wanted to link something to the picture. What you would do is you would right click and then just hit insert or edit a link. Let's say, for instance, I wanted to link the file of Lego training, which I've done in a different tab. I told the kids to click on the picture for the link. So I right click, I insert my link, and then I would link my URL, what I want linked, put a title, and then insert. So when the students click on the picture, the next thing is how to delete a page. Now here's my homework page, but I don't really want it. This was just a practice. So I'm just going to delete this page. Remember, after doing anything, you always want to save your work. You don't have to publish it right away, but just save and close. So now here it says, warning, deleting this page will remove all subpage navigation and content. Remember, whatever you delete and you publish, if after you delete it, it's gone. There's no getting it back from the help desk. So make sure once you delete the page, and we go down here, and as you can see, it's completely not deleted. So I could restore it if I wanted to, as long as I don't publish it yet. But once it's published, it's gone. So remember to look and see if you completely want it gone. Now here are 3 pages that I don't really want anymore. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the boxes, and I'm going to publish all the selections. So anytime that you edit, add a page, edit the settings, you're going to get this box next to your pages. And as you can see, I haven't done anything to these pages, so it doesn't have a box. But if I edited it or changed the settings, deleted it, added a page, it's going to have this box here. So now I'm ready to publish everything. So I'll click them all, and then I'm going to publish all the selected. So after it publishes, now you can see, oh, it didn't do it yet. So I'm going to check them all again, and I'm going to publish. And here we go. Now, As you can see, all of those other ones are gone. Now, if you wanted to add an image or a file or your own calendar or photo gallery, you can do that.